One of my favorite things about Christmas is the next day, you get to Boxing Day, you've got all these beautiful leftovers. What do you do with them? I say put them in a toastie. And that's what we're going to make today, my festive duck toastie. I've got a leftover smoked duck breast, so we'll just really thinly slice. Also to go in our toastie, dried apricots. And then we've got some cranberries. And then pistachios. Just want to run my knife through them just to chop them up a little bit. I've got some gorgeous sourdough here. Cranberry sauce. We've all got leftover cranberry sauce after Christmas. I've got some leftover rocket here. I've got some leftover camembert. Now we've got our gorgeous nut and fruit mix. The real star of the show, our smoked duck breast. On with our lids. We are going to use duck fat to spread on the outside of our bread. That's going to make our toasties extra crunchy and extra delicious. I'm going to fry these in the frying pan until they're gorgeous, golden and delicious. Have a look at these beauties. Give these a go. Next time you make toasties, don't forget to add duck and try out the duck fat on the outside for an extra crispy toastie.